guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in the Motorola G54. So at the start do check your DND mode, so open the top menu and check that you have this feature deactivated, the necessary one. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and go to the app info. We're gonna start from notifications, of course you have to switch it on, and after that go to the additional settings and check that you have activated hyperlink notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data in Wi-Fi and turn on the unrestricted data usage. In the next step, you can also try to reset your WhatsApp app, so make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache, choose clear storage and tap on the delete. In the next step, go to the system in the settings, choose the reset options and select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Choose the reset settings and tap on this button again. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment and goodbye.